So this is the last eyeshadow review for quite a while. Well, I say quite a while. Probably not a while, but for the time being. This is the Makeup Revolution Carmi MUA Kiss of Fire eyeshadow, or like face palette. This is what it looks like. So at the top we have 2 eyeshadows, then the rest are 2 highlights, and the rest are eyeshadows, and then this is the name sheet. So I'm going to be doing the highlight first, and then I will move on to the eyeshadows. Okay, so I'm going to take this highlight, which is called Flash Me, and I'm just going to do 3 swipes and then pack this on like, ooh. This has like a greeny kind of reflect. Ooh. It's honestly stunning. I mean, stunning. And look at that. It is pretty. And the gold is too dark for me, so I'm going to incorporate it into this review, and I'm going to put the gold in my inner corner once I finish the eyeshadow tutorial. It is stunning, this. Okay, so let's go on to the eyeshadows. So I'm going to try my best to use the majority of these shades, but I don't know how well that's going to go. I think I'm going to use these 4 shades and then one of these 2 shades, because these are like shimmery colours. So I'm going to take the Spectra and BO4 brush, and I'm first going to start with the yellow, which is called Yellow Heart, and I'm just going to work that into my crease. Stunning. And these eyeshadow pans are like really big. I don't know how big that should depend on. 10 ounce, 0.7, or like 10, oh no, 7 ounce. And then I'm going to go in with the shade BIBI, which is this orange shade, on a Eco Tools blend brush. I'm just going to pack that into the crease. Perfect. And then same brush, I'm going to take the shade Kiss of Fire, which is this burgundy colour. I'm just going to pat that on in the inner part. And I'm going to take a little brush And I'm going to take the shade Game On, which is this black, and I'm just going to carefully pack that on the inner corner. I'm just going to gently pack that on. Because I don't want a lot, but I want something to define like the outer corner. I've literally tapped it in once. And I'm going to go right to the building it up. And then I'm just going to take the shade Yellow Heart, and I'm just going to blend this together so it doesn't look like a total mess. Oh, I can be pushed to the eyeball, and I haven't. And then I'm going to take a flat brush, and I'm going to take the shade Valeria, or Valera. I'm just going to pack that on in the middle. This is honestly stunning. Perfect, Sean. All I'm doing is like packing it on, I'm not like swiping or anything. Perfect, and then I'm just going to flip this over and take the shade My Fair Lady, which is this lighter colour, and I'm just going to pack this on towards the outer corner. Stunning. Then I'm going to go back in with the black and just blend those two shimmer shades together. And it doesn't look bad. And then I'm going to go in with Kiss of Fire. And I'm just going to bring those shadows together. There we go. Alright, and then I'm going to get a white shade from Tammy's palette called Coconut Cream. And I'm just going to blend everything together. The only reason why I'm doing this is because Carmi doesn't have a white shade in his palette, so I'm just gotta do the best. Right, and then I'm just gonna take a little brush and I'm going to take the gold highlight, which is called Opulence. Go once, twice, and pack this on in my inner corner. It's too dark for me to wear as a just like a regular highlight, so I may as well put it in the inner corner. Ooh. Okay. So I'll zoom you out and we can have a look. So this is what the eyeshadow looks like. And the highlight. I mean, like, look at the highlight. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please do give it a massive thumbs up. Comment down below, subscribe if you are new. If you already subscribed, please do hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys next Wednesday with another main channel video. Bye. Mwah.